Hi, my name is Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. I'm going to be showing you our Ratchet Pruner, one of the most incredible tools we have in our collection. This tool will enable you to stay in the garden without having to run back to the tool shed to get a pair of loppers to make a larger cut. This tool will cut up to 1 inch in diameter. It will do all your small cuts and do that large cut as well. It has an SK5 steel blade with a non-stick surface on it, so it slides easily through while you're making your cuts. It only takes half the effort to make a cut with this tool. Let me show you how it works, because it'll work with either right or left-handed people. Take a look. The nice thing about this tool is you can come in and do all your small cuts with just one squeeze, maybe two here. You'll feel a little resistance when you're using the ratchet section. What you do is you go all the way in, you squeeze until you feel resistance, you release, you hear a click, squeeze with resistance, release, hear a click, squeeze, and you're through. These cuts can be made quickly once you get the rhythm. You can see it just come in and cut. So that's our ratchet. Just close it, squeeze it, slide the lock up, and you're ready to put it back in the tool shed. This is a fantastic tool. It can be purchased from the Wildflower Seed Company, www.wildflower-seed.com. Thank you and happy gardening.